Alright, so today you're going to do the basic Python and graphics challenges, and the challenge ghosts I'm going to go through, but you can do the rest. The ghosts is to draw these ghosts, so yeah, right here, and you're going to make a function called draw ghosts, and then you're going to plug in these parameters, the center of the X and Y and the color. And when you do these, it should populate them at these parts of the screen. And when you get started, you'll see they've given you dimensions for the radius, the body width, the body height, the number of feet, and the foot radius. And the pupil radius, pupil left offset, pupil right offset, eye radius, and eye offset. So essentially what you're doing is you're going to make a ghost, start with the body, and the body will be the center of this rectangle is the center of the ghost. So you'll have to look at, remember, the rectangles are the top left, so you'll have to subtract the, you'll do center X minus the width over 2 minus the height over 2 for the center Y. The head is, this circle is going to go right here with the center on the rectangle middle on the very top. Then the eyes will go inside on this line, and the offset I believe it equals 14. 14. That is the distance from the center, so it's 14 right here. So the and there's going to be another 14 over this way. So this is 14 off the center of the rectangle, or the center of the ghost will be the offset. Now likewise, there's a pupil. Let's see if I can make them different colors. So the pupil goes right in here, and the offset for this pupil is, the left one is 8 and the right one is 20. So everything comes down to the center X, center Y, and then you can just, like here you'll subtract 14 from the center X, here you'll add 14 to the center X, here you'll subtract 8, here you'll add 20, and then the feet go down here, and their center should be on the edge of the rectangle. And again, you're going to take the entire width divided by num feet, times 2, like we did the worm, and that gives me the radius of feet. And then, so you'll do a for loop, just like the worm, almost like the worm, but instead of the width of the canvas, this is the rectangle's width. Okay? So make sure you're plugging in, like wherever you see 8, 20, 14, 14, don't put in those numbers, and don't put in like the center X, center Y values. Like, in the instructions they'll give you 100, 100, 370, 150. Never put these numbers in. Make your parameters for the function, and then use center X, center Y in your calculations for where to put the rectangle center, where to put the head, and then use pupil radius, left eye offset, right eye offset, eye radius, left eye offset. Use those names, use literally these code, like this. Do never put 20 in, put this code in. And then what you can do later is, if you want to make changes, you can see how it makes changes. For instance, if you want to do, oh look, they already did put radius for you. Haha, lucky you. So here you could actually put in 15 feet. If you want a little 15 feet across the bottom, see how that looks instead of 3. But I think you guys can do this, so good luck. And see if you can at least get one done. But the point of this whole thing is so you have a single drawGhost function that then you can call multiple times over and over and over and over again. And you can make as many ghosts as you want wherever you like. And that's just the point of the whole thing of a function. You can create one set of code and use it multiple times.